Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Sun and this is our fourth video about SwiftUI. Today we'll play with a simple image. Okay, let's get started. Oh, this morning I just upgraded my Mac OS to the latest one, version 11.4 Big Sur. Okay, and you see here my Mac is up to date. Okay, now let's fire up Xcode. Okay, so let's still use the Hello World project. Last time we played with a paragraph of text, right? Like that. And okay, let's clean up. So today we'll create an image here. Okay, it complains because image it cannot be empty. Text, let's put the hello world back. Hello, is that okay? Yeah, now let's click the resume here. Wow, actually my MacBook is very powerful. It's still it still takes a while. And while we are waiting, we can introduce what kind of image we want to show. Very simple. We'll use something called SF symbols. That's the image provided by Apple. SF means some San Francisco symbols. Oh, wow, that's why. Let's use my favorite. Yeah, that's the cell phone I'm using now, iPhone 12 mini. Okay, this is the, okay, let's hide the button console, show it. Okay, let's continue with SF symbols. Well, okay, hello is here. Now, we'll put our image here, right? Image, like that. And system name, let's create, yeah, let's select one. Is there a, yeah, this guy, system named. So we need a name here. If we keep it empty, right, it means I guess the platform cannot find it, so it's empty. How can we find a name? We can go to a good website. No. Let me create bring up the browser. Oh, browser, put it here. SF San Francisco symbols list. Yeah, you can search that. This guy. Oh, no. Sorry about that. Yeah, you can read the document here, but what I want to see is this guy, SF symbol reference. So sfsymbols.com, right? We cannot see it, but they list all the names here. Wow, 2612 symbols. For example, this one, circle. Okay, 01 dot circle. Let's try that. 01 dot circle. Yeah, there's a small circles here, right? 01 inside. Okay, let's increase its size by adding a modifier dot font. Let's create a font here. Dot system, and specify a size here. What about 115? Yeah, it's good enough, right? So what if we use another one? Dot fill, right? Circle dot fill. Okay. Dot fill. Oh, it looks like that. What about the sum up? Haha. Is there a sum up? Let's search it. Sum. Oh yeah. Hand. Oh, it's hand dot sums down. Sums up. And fill. Okay. Hand dot sum up. Hand dot sums up. Okay, great. Haha. But I want it to be in a better color. So dot foreground color blue. No. Dot, what about yellow? But there's no golden. Haha. Golden? Of course no. Yeah, this one is close enough. What about fill it? Yes. And if we run it, we can see, oh, here is my wow. That's weird. I never saw this before. Like this bar is separated from the simulator. Okay, now let's close this guy. Here. Close it. Let me restart this one. It looks weird. So, oh, okay, it's here. Command Q. And launch it again. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, so that's, yeah, that's it. And it's not interesting enough, so let's try to add some action for it. Okay, so you don't need to understand this because we'll introduce the concept later, right? About what is a state variable and how tap gesture works, right? Gesture. Okay, so let's create our animation like that. State. So private. Let's create two variables. Like if we want to change its color, right? Color change equals false. Let's give this a quick try. And we can change its size. Okay, size equals false. And it's an example to show the power of SwiftUI. State, no, capitalize S. So we can keep adding modifiers, right? Like animation style dot, let's use default. And now on tap gesture, okay, we can put a code here. On tap gesture, it means when we click it, right? Let's change its color. If we want to change its color, we needed to put this one, right? An expression relying on this one, right? So it's easy. Let's use a ternary, right? Color change. If that's true, if that is true, we'll go red. Otherwise, we'll go yellow. Okay. Now in the code, we can toggle it, right? So like color change toggle. Let's try it. Command R to run it. Click toggle, right? If you have never seen this before, toggle means equals then the opposite of that. That's the same thing. And Apple provide a fancy API like toggle method for that. Let's run it. It should be the same. Yeah. Okay, now undo Command Z to put it back. Okay. And what about a long press to change the size? Okay. To change the size, we can add another modifier for scale effect. Right? The size, of course, we still need to put some code here. So size change, right? Oh, now let's put the scale ratio here, right? This is the original one. 1.5 means 1.5 bigger, right? Now we can use another modifier on long press gesture. Okay, now this time we can toggle size changed toggle. Okay, run it to test. So long press, bigger, right? Long press again, smaller, right? Long press, bigger, long press again. Okay, touch, tap. Okay, tap. And what about if it's bigger and we tap? Yeah, it still works. Great. Thank you for watching. See you next time.